Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the course of this video, we're going to show you how to activate the VBA options. Before we get to the main thing, subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to be notified each time we drop a video. So, to add the VBA options, by default, first of all, you will see there is nothing related to VBA up here. So we have to add an option here, a tab here in our ribbon called developer. So in order to add the developer options, we right click on any of these tabs here and we come on customize ribbon. So this is what is going to appear. To customize the ribbon, you will see the different tabs which were already activated, but there is what we call developer which was not activated. So I click on it and I take OK. Henceforth we'll have a new option here called developer. From here you can see different options in relation to writing codes or VBA. So there is what we call Visual Basic, which is Visual Basic for application. This is actually the interface. When you click here, you have the interface where you have to write your code or list your commands. So here you can equally get access to that interface by pressing Alt plus F11. So when we click on it, we have our interface which appears, and from here we can add a new module. This is where we can actually write a code. So a code in VBA starts with a sub. I'll give the sub a name like try with brackets open and close. Automatically it is going to give you the end sub. So it is within this that we write a code. Within this space that we write a code. So basically that is how we add a new module in our interface. There are different things that we can add here. We can add a user form. Yes, same as we can equally write a code in a sheet like this one. So when you are done with this was for VBA, the interface in order to write a VBA code. So when you start writing a VBA code, the way you save your work will be different. The way you save your work, your Excel sheet is different. Let's take let's have a look at, let me get an Excel file. So normally, look at this one, this Excel file that I created book. You see normally this is how your Excel file looks like. If you have never written a VBA code before, this is how it would look like. So when you start writing VBA code, the format of this Excel workbook will no more be the same. If you still save it like this one, surely your code will not be visible, or all what you wrote as code will automatically disappear. So when it comes to VBA, there's a different way of saving our Excel sheet. Let's have a look at something here. So now look at this Excel sheet that I recently opened, sample finance record. See, there's an exclamation mark there and with something there by the side, which is completely different from this one. Are you seeing? Look at these two, they are completely different. This one does not have a VBA code and this one has a VBA code. So This one, if I open it, all my codes will be inside and I will be able to make the automatic calculations that I had there. So how do we go about that? This is our Excel sheet. When we write a VBA code, when we want to save, we get to our files, save as, and let me say I'm saving this on my desktop. So I'll give it a name, and here I'll not go directly to save. There is this Excel, the save as type. I'll change the save as type from Excel workbook to, there is here Excel macro enabled. Excel macro enabled. Here I get to save as type, and there's an option here called Excel macro enabled, meaning it allows the use of macro, an Excel sheet which allows the use of macro. So I choose this option and I save it. So from now, this worksheet can accept VBA options. So if I get to my desktop, let's see, this is, we have if I get to my desktop, you see the Excel file is completely different. You see this one has a code, this one has a code, but this one does not have a code, or it has not been saved to support VBA codes or macros. So basically that is how it goes. When you start writing code, the way you save your Excel sheet is going to be completely different. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.